Yes, the Hoover constellation floats. It doesn't just slide. There.
What makes something modern? Is everything modern obsolete someday? Art Deco was once considered modern. And is the definition of modern design different today than it was in the 20th century? The word modern can mean relating to a recently developed or advanced style, technique, or technology. Technology advanced rapidly after World War II, so in the design world, the word modern still refers to design from that era. We use the word contemporary to describe design that is happening in the now. Interior designer Natalie Meier says, Modernism was the future in the early mid-century. It harnessed the capability of machinery to offer affordable housing and furniture solutions to the masses. The birthplace of modern design is the Bauhaus School. This German school opened as a result of Germany's economic depression after World War I. The Bauhaus School wanted to design affordable and materials-efficient housing and furniture for everyone to enjoy. It did this with straight lines, raw materials, and minimal decorations. This revolutionary trend influenced movements like the International style, Scandinavian design, which is basically what you find at IKEA, Brutalism, the concrete style of architecture, and eventually mid-century modern. In America, technology and the baby boom led Americans to spread out into the American Southwest, which became sort of the suburbs of modern America. The flat roofs and natural light of modern housing design are perfect for the desert. Let's look at some examples of modern design.